my great-grandmother, her name was Sarah, her family owned an inn, and apparently she and her mother died when she was young, so apparently she helped run the inn with her father, and a lot of people came in from all different countries and places, and she spoke like 5 languages, which I always thought was really cool. She kind of has the reputation in our family for being mean, and I think that stereotype and kind of association comes from women who are more strong women. And I remember when I was born, they told my parents wanted to name me Sarah after her, but she was really old, and she said, "Don't name her Sarah because the angel of death will take her and not me." And so that's why they named me Rebekah. And I always really loved that story about her, because I didn't really know her. She died soon after I was born. But I loved that story because, to me, it shows what some people might call a superstition. But to me, it's more of a belief in magic. And I think that's why people thought she was mean, because I think she was a strong woman and that she had unresolved feelings about being treated that way and her knowledge not being valued.